We've also been working closely with Star here in the UK on a project using Star sliding head machines and the Equator gauging system to produce detailed, complex components for Renishaw's encoder range. These parts have 200 features machined using 56 cutting tools. Our challenge for this was the setting process. For these machines, it's very complex and at times very long. So we created a special setting piece, and this incorporates features machined using all 56 cutting tools. That's the part we machined first, after loading all the tools in the machine. That test part then goes onto the Equator via a deburring station and a cleaning station. On Equator, we measure all the features of that setting piece, and in one go we can send a full set of offset adjustments into the CNC control on the Star machine. So we've reduced the set time from many hours across several shifts to just 1 hour, and that brings us a lot of benefits. Not only do we have a much shorter set time and more manufacturing time, but we also have much more flexibility, because instead of producing thousands of components, we can produce just a few hundred at a time. That means we can switch between different parts quickly and easily in response to customer demand for our products. It's given us a major benefit in terms of both flexibility and reduced setting time.